In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Jira dashboard into your Confluence page. This is a great way to visualize your project data and share updates with your team without having to switch between platforms constantly. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open the specific Jira dashboard that you plan to feature on your Confluence page. Ensure you've chosen the right dashboard that displays the data or projects most relevant to your team or project goals. Having the right dashboard selected ensures you're pulling in the most pertinent information. Once you're on your desired Jira dashboard, look towards the top right corner. You'll notice a chain link icon. That's your friend here. Clicking on this icon will allow you to copy the direct link to this dashboard. This step is all about harnessing the power of a quick and easy link to facilitate seamless integration. Now that you have the link copied to your clipboard, it's time to navigate to your Confluence page where you'd like to embed this dashboard. Before pasting the link, it's a good idea to visualize where on the page this dashboard will fit best to maintain a clean, cohesive look. Locate the section or text box where your dashboard will reside, and make sure it complements the existing content to maximize the information flow on your page. All you need to do from here is paste the URL directly onto your Confluence page. It's as simple as that. Just paste and let Confluence do the heavy lifting. What happens next is Confluence will automatically recognize the URL you've pasted and immediately embed your Jira dashboard into the page. This automated process saves you time and effort, ensuring a smooth embedding without any complex configurations or coding skills. And just like that, your Jira dashboard is now an interactive, integral part of your Confluence page. This quick integration process allows anyone who views the page to access up-to-date project information right from Confluence, enhancing team collaboration and project management efficiency. That's all it takes to bring together the powerful project tracking capabilities of Jira with the collaborative documentation features of Confluence. With this integration, you're able to bridge the gap between tracking data and sharing insights, empowering your team to stay on top of project goals with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful, making it effortless to combine Jira with Confluence and reinforcing the synergy between these powerful tools. Don't forget to take a moment to appreciate how these integrations can simplify and streamline your workflow, keeping everyone aligned and informed. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding.